seatbelts are on, we recommend you keep your seatbelts fastened whenever you are seated. Please take care when opening the overhead lockers, as during takeoff items might have moved, and this potentially could injure yourself or a fellow passenger. There are 3 toilets on this aircraft, 1 at the front, 2 at the rear. These are fitted with highly sensitive smoke detectors. Smoking is not permitted on this flight, and that does include the use of e-cigs and vapes. Shortly, the cabin crew will be released from their seats and will be coming through the cabin. If you'd like to take a look at the brochures in your back seat pockets, there's hot and cold sandwiches, sweet and savoury snacks, hot and cold drinks, alcohol beverages, and also the duty-free cosmetics, ladies' perfumes, men's aftershave. Anything over £20 on the aftershaves have got 20% off, so do take a look. This is a cashless flight, so we no longer take cash for payment on our flights. So Apple Pay, Google Pay. As I say, do take a look and we'll join you in the cabin shortly. So sit back, relax and enjoy your flight. Thank you.